At first glance, it sounds like a perfect solution. Take the world's nuclear waste, load it onto rockets, and send it far into space. No more storage problems, no long-term risk on Earth. But in reality, launching nuclear waste into space is one of the most dangerous ideas we could attempt. The greatest problem is simple: rockets fail. Even today, roughly 5 to 10% of launches end in an explosion or a major malfunction. Now imagine a rocket packed with highly radioactive nuclear waste exploding only seconds after liftoff. Instead of solving the problem, we would create a global radioactive disaster, far worse than Chernobyl or Fukushima, released into the air, the ocean, and the ground in an instant. A single failure would be catastrophic beyond imagination. There's another challenge. The world has hundreds of thousands of tons of nuclear waste. But a modern heavy rocket can carry only a few tons safely into space. We would need thousands of launches, each with the same unacceptable risk, and each one costing tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars. And even if a launch succeeded, there's no guarantee the waste would actually leave Earth's neighborhood. If a rocket malfunctioned and the waste ended up trapped in orbit, it could later fall back to Earth or contribute to dangerous space debris. The risk doesn't end once the rocket leaves the pad. What about sending it into the sun? Surprisingly, this is even harder. It takes far more energy to drop something into the sun's gravity well than it does to send it out of the solar system. It's not simple, cheap, or reliable. And contamination of other planets or spacecraft must be avoided under strict international rules. The truth is straightforward. As long as rockets can fail, and they always can, we cannot risk launching the world's most dangerous materials into the sky above our heads. Instead, scientists are developing safe long-term storage on Earth, deep underground, where the waste can be isolated for as long as it remains hazardous. Sending nuclear waste into space may sound elegant, but the danger is far greater than the problem it tries to solve. Until we have a launch system with zero chance of failure, the safest place for nuclear waste is still here, managed, contained, and under human control.